I've been to a lot of places and built a lot of buildings, houses for a lot of families, but one thing that I never really enjoyed, particularly in this craft, would be how to start all the activity on site. I think it's something that I've struggled with, to be honest with you, but it's something to do with about the exposure, the heat, the immediate experience, the people that gather around site, the different kind of trades. So I guess that's one of the things that I've never really pushed through. I think everything matters on the 10th day. That's why they call it the 10th day. Like my mind running wild with this, it's I guess imagination is your only limit, or you can just say it's limitless. Amidst all the virus scare and everything else, we're still back to work on our 10th day of construction. That's the backhoe right behind me for this project. I mean, on the 10th day, it's what you have that's on hand. Large excavation. This is where you see for the first time big holes for your foundation. The 10th day. That's what we call it. The 10th day. I guess everything changes when everything's plotted out. All the planning's been done, and it's something that I just really want to change and want to be exposed to again. Construction to me is like solving other people's problems. Fulfill a lot of happiness. This is what we call a footing. It's about 2 meters deep. These, on the other hand, are going to be your columns. We usually cover them up good to avoid rust while they're still in place.